In today's video, I want to show you 6 side hustles that you can use to start making over £100 a day. Now, side number 1 is juggling. Now, as you can see, my skills far outperform most of the UK's top jugglers and my bank balance is absolutely bulging with cash. Now, just kidding. But seriously though, recent data from Aviva showed that 20% of people in the UK currently have a side hustle on the go. And this number is set to rise to nearly 50% by 2027 as people are forced to look for extra income streams with the cost of living currently soaring through the roof. Interestingly though, the average side hustle income is just £490 a month. So I can hear you saying, well, how on earth am I going to make a side hustle that actually makes me £100 a day? Well, that doesn't really matter anyway, because if Stephen Bartlett has anything to do with it, we're all going to be taken out by AI in the next 2 years anyway, and we're just going to be blown off the earth. Half joking. So where were we? Yes, £100 a day. Let's get into it. First up on the list is freelancing. And now this is on most lists, and rightly so, because most of you are working in a profession. So there are skills that you know that others will pay for. The beauty of freelancing, as long as you don't tell your boss, you can do this in your spare time using skills that you already have. Now let's take a receptionist as an example here. You're organizing people, creating administrative tasks. You're good at organizing calendars, emails, and taking phone calls. In that list there, you've got multiple things that you can help people with. Could you organize an inbox so it's all nicely folded and looks amazing? Could you create a color-coded calendar for someone so they know what's important in their day? Could you be a virtual assistant for someone in another time zone in the evening? Now the key here, as you can see, I'm thinking outside of the box. What are you good at and how can you make money from it? Now the next step here is to get online, create a social media account, promote yourself, and let friends know that you're looking for some freelance work. Also, you can hop onto wicked platforms like Fiverr and Upwork and create free profiles and start pushing your services and applying for some freelance jobs. Now it's not going to be easy and it's going to take a bit of graft here, but if you keep pushing yourself, you can easily make £100 a day by doing some extra work outside of your 9 to 5 with things you're already good at. Now, number 2 is blogging. Now, I started my personal finance blog around 18 months ago and it's now making me close to £150 a day. Blogging requires you to create content you can drive traffic to from Google and social media and other platforms too, and then you monetize that with ads, affiliate marketing, and even sponsorships. Now, affiliate marketing is where you refer someone on through a coded link and they make a purchase and you get paid for that purchase in the form of a commission. Now, you don't make £150 a day with just a couple of blog posts. You need a lot of content and you also need to learn what's called SEO, which is called search engine optimization. Now, SEO is essentially a framework that you use on your blogs that's friendly for Google and it allows your website to be found in Google search. There's a lot more to it than that, but essentially I bet you found yourself on some random website getting information after you've typed in a question. Now that is SEO. Now blogging is a slog. It takes a good 12 months and a truckload of posts. I'm talking 50 plus here on a certain topic to start generating some cash. And even then the real growth actually happens after around about 18 to 24 months. But if you stick with it and you're writing about something that you love, you can absolutely smash it. Jason Mills, who we had on the Money Gains podcast recently, is making 40k a month. Yes, you heard that right. 40k a month from blogging and affiliate marketing. We're going to leave a link to that episode in the description below. Now, number 3 is start an Etsy business. Now, Etsy is the home for creators looking to monetize their work. I've bought all kinds of stuff on there, from pictures to desks to rugs to boho bathroom shelves and even dog collars. The reason I like shopping on Etsy is I'm buying from a creator and not some corporate drone. So essentially, if you're creative and are good at making things, then Etsy can be a great way to monetize your creations. I know a creator called Christina Umarez who has a print-on-demand business on Etsy, which she prints popular sayings and slogans onto t-shirts. Now, this business is doing 10k a month alone, and she's just created the design once. It's completely automated. She then connects her printers to the Etsy store, and when an order comes in, they do all the printing and the delivery. What an incredible way to monetize your design work. Now, think about it. This could be used for prints, photography, stationery, and so much more. So if you're a creative person and have a knack for crafting, drawing, or or trade work like carpentry, you could do really well on Etsy. Something to think about. Now, number 4 is online tutoring. Are you well versed in a subject, a musical genius, or a homeschooling king or queen? Then consider online tutoring. Since the pandemic and the rise in digital video software like Zoom, online tutoring has absolutely boomed. People now have access to teachers all across the world in any subject you can think of. Many websites facilitate online tutors, so do a quick Google and check a few out. You can also promote yourselves privately on social media and educational forums or websites. Make sure you decide your rate and create a decent curriculum for your students to follow. Referrals and reviews will be critical here, so nurture these relationships from the get-go. A real big fact here, the global online tutoring market is actually worth £6.7 billion a year. Some subjects are more valuable than others, but if you present yourself as an expert and provide value to your students, you can charge a very good amount per hour. So that's online tutoring done. Now, number 5 here is start a YouTube channel. We've all seen Mr. Beast and KSI, and we know that they're making multi-millions uploading content onto YouTube, but how do they do it? Well, they sell products, show ads, partner with brands, partner with other YouTubers, they have public speaking gigs. They're more known as digital influencers with YouTube as their central platform. So how do you get there? Well, hard work and dedication is key. Successful YouTube channels have to post consistently for around 12 to 18 months before they find some success. Firstly, you'll need to pick up a theme and consistently release high quality videos, ideally once a week or every few days. Now, once you reach roughly 500 subscribers, you can begin to monetize through ads and start selling products through affiliate marketing. Now, in fact, Mr. Beast made $4.5 million a month in 2022. That is absolutely mind-blowing. So make sure your content is on point and it resonates with your target audience. Don't be put off. Your first 10, 20, or even 30 videos probably won't get any views, but keep going and keep building your channel and you will get there. Now, number 6 is start an agency. Really, this is a follow-on from freelancing and perhaps is a next step once you've got a few regular clients. Starting an agency will involve developing a clear business plan, identifying your services, marketing them, and picking up clients. You'll no doubt start solo, but you can hire people and grow a talented team as your business grows. Having your own agency can give you creative control, but understanding what you want to deliver for your clients is always the hardest goal. Now, examples of agencies could be digital marketing, recruitment, graphic design, web design, public relations or PR services. There's luxury cleaning services. Honestly, the list goes on and the choice is yours. Whatever your idea is, you need to go out and make it happen though. You need a plan for branding, social media, a website, some sales copy, and more to attract your new businesses. Fun fact for you here, digital marketing agencies made over £13.6 billion in 2022. But I can hear you say, how do I get clients from my agency? Well, you need to build a network. You can do this by attending related industry events, joining relevant professional organizations, and utilizing social media and your website for some case studies. Now look, all of these ideas, they take time and dedication and some luck along the way. But if you don't put yourself out there, you're never going to make even £1 from your side hustles. Remember that Mr. Beast, Elon Musk, and the most successful people on the planet, they all had to start somewhere. But the most important thing they did was they got started. Now look, I'm by no means an expert in blogging or YouTube or podcasting, but I'm putting in the reps, constantly evolving and learning as I go. So these are the 6 side hustles that could make you £100 a day. If you have any more, then let us know in the comments below. We always want to hear and learn from your ideas too. So last up, remember to like and subscribe and all of that good stuff. And remember that your free net worth calculator and goal tracker worth £25 is available for free in the description below. Also, there's going to be a link to the podcast with Jason Mills where we discuss all about how he's making that 40k a month through affiliate marketing. Now enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and peace out.